Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class pre-9. How are you? I hope you are all well. Here we are with your homework of second week. I hope you have done your first week. Now come to second week. First subject is physics, chapter 5. The topic is gravitation. You have done first 7 questions in first week. You have to start with question number 8, 5.8. So review questions 5.8, 5.9, 10 up to 5.17. All these questions and their answers are mentioned over here. You have to write them on your neat notebook, and you have to learn them very well. That was about physics. Now come to next subject, which is biology. Chapter 4, cells and tissues. Remaining exercise you have to do in this week. Question number 8, question 9, question number 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. All these questions and their answers are mentioned over here in dotted form. You have to write them on your neat notebook, and you have to learn them as well. You have to draw the diagram of animal and plant cell as well, and you have to label the diagram. Do remember, draw the diagram neatly, and you have to learn all these work you mentioned over here. Next subject is Pakistan studies. Chapter number 1, ideological basis of Pakistan. Exercise part 1, which is objective type questions. MCQs, match the column, fill in the blanks. You have to learn these parts. And part number 2, prepare short question answers of all the topics. Next subject is maths. Week 2, exercise number 2.6. Question 7, part 1 is solved over here, and do remaining parts by yourself. Then come to review exercise 2. Question number 3, part 1 is done for you, and do part 2 by yourself. And question 3, part 3 is also done over here. Do part number 4 by yourself. Question number 4 and 5 are solved here, and do question number 6 and 7 by yourself. Now come to unit 3, exercise 3.1. Question number 1, part 1, 2, 3 and 4. They are done over here, and do remaining parts by yourself. Come to question number 2. Part 1 is solved over here. Part 2 is also solved, and do remaining parts by yourself. Exercise 3.2. Question 1, part 1, 2, 3 solved over here. Question number 2 is also solved. Question number 2, part 1 and 2 is solved, and do remaining parts by yourself. Then come to question 3, part 1, 2 done over here. Question number 4, part 1, 2, 3, 4 they are done. Question number 5, part 1, 2 is done. And next is question 6, part 1 and 1, 2 and 3 done over here. Do remaining parts by yourself, and you have to do all these questions on your neat notebook, and write you have to write the theorem 10.1.2 on your neat notebook and learn it also. Next subject is Islamiyat. दूसरा सबक अद्दर्सुस्सानी, हिस्सा बे, पढ़ाई, सफ़ा नंबर 44, 45, 46. पहला सबक अद्दर्सुल अव्वल, हिस्सा बे, सूरतुल इन्फाल, आयात हैं 11 ता 19, ज़ुबानी याद करनी है. फिर हदीस नंबर 3, सफ़ा नंबर 77, बमा तर्जमा और तशरी अपनी कॉपी पर तहरीर करना है और ज़ुबानी याद करना है. उसके बाद आ जाते हैं मौज़ूआती मुताले की तरफ, और उसमें टॉपिक है कुरान मजीद. सबक का नाम कुरान मजीद. सवाल नंबर 3, कुरान मजीद के फ़ज़ाइल पर नोट लिखें. ये आपने अपनी कॉपी पर लिखना है. उसके बाद कुरान मजीद के मारूज़ी सवालात हैं, सफ़ा नंबर 91, ये आपने कॉपी पर लिखने हैं. फिर कुरान मजीद का सवाल नंबर 3 और मारूज़ी सवालात जो हैं वो आपने याद करने हैं. اور یہ تمام کام آپ نے خوش خط کرنا ہے. اس کے بعد آ جاتے ہیں اردو کی طرف. عنوان ہے نعت. سوال نمبر 1, نعت کے اگلے 3 اشعار کی تشریح کاپی پر لکھنی ہے اور یاد کرنی ہے. پھر سوال ہے سبق ہجرت نبوی کے مختصر سوالات یاد کرنے ہیں. پھر سبق ہجرت نبوی میں دیے گئے الفاظ کے معنی اور جملے یاد کرنے ہیں. الفاظ یہاں آپ کو مینشن کر دیے گئے ہیں. پھر سوال آ جاتا ہے درج ذیل تراکیب کے معنی لکھیں اور یاد کریں. یہ معنی آپ نے اپنی کاپی پر لکھنے ہیں. اس کے بعد غزل کی طرف آ جاتے ہیں. غزل نمبر 1 اور 2 کا تعارف یاد کرنا ہے. پھر گرامر پورشن اردو بی, فعل کی اقسام یاد کریں اور نوٹ بک پر لکھیں. پھر تخلیقی لکھائی ہے عید میلاد النبی کے موضوع پر ردات تحریر کریں اور یاد کریں. پھر ہے سوال مطلع اور مقطع کی تعریف کاپی پر لکھیں اور یاد کریں. یہ کام آپ نے سارا خوش خط اپنی کاپیز پر کرنا ہے. آگے آ جاتے ہیں آپ کا نیکسٹ سبجیکٹ کمپیوٹر, ویک نمبر 2, یونٹ نمبر 5. Long questions and answers are mentioned over here, which are on page number 157. You have to write them on your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. Page number 141, draw a diagram of a small computer network on your notebook. These are diagrams. Draw a diagram of client server, which is on page number 143, and peer-to-peer network, which is on page number 144. These are the diagrams which you have to draw. Learn MCQs of unit number 1. Then draw a diagram of slide rule, which is on page number 10 on your notebook. And unit number 1, short question answers, part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to learn them. And then diagram is also mentioned over here, which is on figure, which is the figure 1.42. You have to draw it on your notebook, and also you have to learn all these words. Next subject is chemistry, chapter number 5. The topic is physical states of matter. First 3 questions you have done in first week. Now you have to start with question number 4. Question number 4, 5, question 6, question 7 and 8. All these questions and their answers are mentioned over here. You have to do all the question on neat notebook, and you have to learn question 5, 4, 6 and 7 by heart. And you have to revise question 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 as well. So your last subject is English. Unit number 5, daffodils. You have to learn all the units related questions. Then comprehension, which is on page number 53. You have to learn all the questions. And you have to learn page number 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. And then come to English B. You have to learn the paragraph, which are the topics, my school and girls guide. And you have to learn letters as well, and letter number 6, 7 and 8. Okay, class pre-9, that was all about your homework of week 2. I hope you have understand it very well, and you will do it carefully and attentively. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.